What's up, y'all? My name is Obi Nwakwo, and this is my beautiful mother. And today we're going to show you guys how to make some Nigerian jollof rice. Now I know a lot of people have a lot of debates. What's better, Ghanaian jollof rice or Nigerian? Guess what? We're just here to prove it all. We're going to show you guys what is the best jollof rice. So we're going to explain all the ingredients that we use to make Nigerian jollof rice, which is the best jollof rice, I must say. And so we're gonna start off, we're gonna use a little oil, and then my mom, the Nigerian expert, will go into the fine details.
Awesome. This jollof rice is so simple that even my son Obi can make it.
Got him!
The curry, you need some curry powder, you need some ginger, you need some thyme, this is optional, you need some salt, and you always need Maggie Cubes. You need about 4 cups of rice, depending on how many people you're feeding. This will feed about 6 to 8 people. So
6 to 8.
Yes.
So if you had a big family, all you need is this much rice to fill that whole big family up.
And some cut up tomatoes, plum tomatoes, about 4 to 6 of them. You dice them or you cut them, because all this is going to be blended, so it doesn't matter how you cut them up.
And if they do not get fresh tomatoes and they get it from, in a can, how many ounces should they use for that?
The 14-ounce can should also suffice.
Alright, so the 14-ounce can will suffice, or you can get 4 to 6 fresh tomatoes. So whichever one you choose, both options are going to be perfectly fine.
Yes. Red onions, yellow onions, whatever onions, you need about 1 glove like this. And 3 red peppers. It could be more, but 3 should be enough. 3 red peppers. We've already washed it and it's ready to go. And always, Nigerian food is spicy. This is jalapeno peppers. We're using 1.
Add these spice.
You need some of this.
Spice.
Yeah. 1 jalapeno pepper, it could be 2 depending on your taste, but you need some jalapeno peppers to spice it up. And I think we're ready to go.
Alright, so
ready.
now that you know the ingredients, we are about to chef up this kitchen. Beware, the temperature in here might go up a little bit. Right now it's about 70 degrees Fahrenheit, but it's about to get hot because we're about to be cooking. Alright, so now we've just showed you all the ingredients, and now we're going to start cutting. So now we've cut everything. Now we just cut the onions. Now we're just going to cut the peppers into simple 4s. Just nice and easy. Just like that. So now your peppers are ready.
Now that Obi is done cutting the red peppers and onions, now it's time to get them blended. Now we add the tomatoes to the blender first. Now we add the red peppers. Don't forget your jalapenos. Finally, you have your onions.
And now we've blended the onions, peppers, and the tomatoes, and now we are going to take them out. Now we are going to wash the rice. So first we're going to put the 4 cups of rice in a pot. Nice and easy. And then the next step is we are going to wash the rice. Look at that washed rice, baby. Look at that. Now you're ready to make some Nigerian jollof rice. So now we've washed the rice and we've blended all the ingredients into one, and now we're going to mix the ingredients into the rice for the next step. So now we are going to pour the ingredients into the rice. So now we are going to add a spoonful of curry powder into the rice. Nice and easy spoonful. And if it's a little over, it's not that big of a deal. And you just put that thing right into the rice. So now we are going to add half a spoon of ginger to the rice. Boom, look at that ginger. So now we're going to add some thyme into this. Now thyme is optional to add, and if you do add it, you'll only add about 1/4 of a spoon to it. So now we are going to add 2 cubes of Maggie into the rice now. You just crush them up like that. Yeah. Get your Hulk on and now crush that Maggie right into the rice. put some muscle into it too. Over here in Nigeria, we got that muscle. We got that muscle. That's why we make the best jollof rice. And now we're going to add half a cup of oil. Now this is obviously the full cup of this thing, but this would be equivalent to about half a cup of a standardized cup. You just throw that oil in there. You can use any type of oil you want. This is just the oil we are choosing for today. And now the final ingredient will be just a little bit of salt. Now, you don't want to put too much salt because no one wants to get heartburn. So just add a little bit of salt just to add some taste. So now we're going to stir up the rice with all the ingredients in it. This is a very important step because you really want your ingredients to nicely seep into your rice so it can taste nice and delicious. Because obviously Nigerians cook the best jollof rice, so that's why we stir our rice. So now we're going to turn the stove on to medium-high to start cooking the rice. Before we start fully cooking it, we're going to put a nice cover on for about 20 minutes. So this is about 10 minutes of the rice cooking. This is how it should look at this point. Nice and delicious. Now we're gonna leave it in for about another 10 minutes and then show you guys the updates. So it's been about 15 minutes now, and just so the rice does not burn, we're going to turn it down to about 5. So this is gonna be about halfway now. Okay, so it's been about 30 minutes. So what we realized is we need to cook it for about 30 minutes the way we were showing you guys. So it's about 15 minutes on medium-high, and then another 15 minutes on about medium, which is about halfway through. And then we're going to actually cook it more for another 5 minutes uncovered because any water that hasn't evaporated yet, we want it to evaporate at this point. So now it's been the full 30 minutes. We've uncovered it for 5 minutes and we've cooked it for the other 25 minutes. And now we're going to stir the rice. You want to get that stir nice and going, you know, because you want that jollof rice to be good. Look at that. Look at that. So now we just finished cooking the jollof rice and it is looking awfully amazing. Oh man, there's something about Nigerian jollof rice that just hits a little different. And now we are going to eat the Nigerian jollof rice. One bite, everyone knows the rules. Oh my. Okay.
Oh, delicious.
I don't care what anyone says. Nigerian jollof rice wins. I don't care. It doesn't matter what anyone else says. Oh my goodness. Sorry, I know y'all are watching me eat, but please, if you are experiencing the type of sensation I'm experiencing now, you will know what I'm talking about. Okay. Absolutely amazing. That's how you cook Nigerian jollof rice. The #1 jollof rice across all countries, continents, wherever you're, even if you're from space. You cannot encapsulate what type of taste we are doing on Earth now, please. So, as you guys have seen from our reactions, obviously that Nigerian jollof rice was just on a whole nother level. Beats Ghanaian jollof rice, beats any jollof rice in any country that wants to challenge Nigeria, because Nigerian jollof rice is simply the best. So obviously you can see Nigerian jollof rice is the best. It beats out Ghanaian jollof rice, it beats out any other country's jollof rice. If you want to challenge us, put us in the comments, tell us what country you're coming from, and tell us why your jollof rice is better than us, because it might be very difficult for you to convince me, because I've tried it all. I went to Ghana, I went to Nigeria, and the Niger one was the best though, and I'm not, it's not because I'm just Nigerian, so whatever. See, my mom isn't vegan like me, so I know she wants to say chicken and fish, so you can also eat it with chicken and fish, meat, whatever you want. I personally like to eat the rice with plantains, eggplants, cauliflower is very good, and just any type of assorted vegetables. Thank you all for watching our channel today. Now you officially know how to cook the best jollof rice in the world. And if you enjoyed this video, just comment your thoughts on it. And just let us know where you're from. Let us know where you're watching this video from. We love to see people from across the world. We're from Nigeria, but we live in the US. And so we'd like to know a little bit about you. Make sure to like, subscribe, comment your thoughts. And we have more cooking videos coming to y'all soon. So much love, peace out from the Nwankwo's.